In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add Maps view to your Trello boards so you can visualize your tasks and locations geographically. This is perfect for event planning, travel coordination, real estate tracking, field projects, or any workflow where location matters. By the end of this video, you'll know how to enable the Maps view, create a location-based card, and manage it directly from your board. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Trello guides. Now, let's get started. First, open Trello and navigate to the board where you want to add the Maps view. You can do this by logging into your Trello account and selecting your desired board from the homepage. Once you're inside the board, look toward the top area where your board views are located. Next, click on the Views drop-down menu. From the available options, select Map. If this is your first time using it, Trello may prompt you to enable the map view for the board. Go ahead and enable it so you can start adding locations. Once you're inside the map view, you'll see a map interface. Now, click on the specific location on the map where you want to create a card. This could be a venue, meeting spot, project site, or any physical location relevant to your workflow. After clicking on the location, double-click directly on the exact spot to confirm and begin creating your card. Trello will highlight the selected area, allowing you to attach details to that location. Now, type in the title for your location. Make sure the title is clear and descriptive so it's easy to identify later. For example, you could name it Client Meeting, Downtown Office, or Event Venue, Main Hall. Next, choose the list where you want this card to appear. This is important because your location-based card will also live inside your regular Trello board lists. Select the appropriate list from the drop-down, such as To Do, In Progress, or Completed, depending on your workflow. After selecting the list, assign the position of the card within that list. You can choose whether it appears at the top or bottom of the list. This helps you keep your board organized and aligned with your priorities. Once everything looks good, click on Add. Trello will now create the card and pin it to the selected location on the map. Now you can go back to your main board view. When you return, you'll see that your newly created location card appears inside the list you selected earlier. This confirms that the Maps view and your standard board view are fully connected. From here, you can click on the card to open it and add more details. For example, you can include a detailed description, add a checklist, attach files, set due dates, assign team members, or leave comments. This makes the Maps view incredibly powerful because you're not just marking a location, you're attaching actionable project information to it. You can repeat this same process to add multiple locations across the map. This is especially useful for managing multiple venues, tracking site visits, planning logistics routes, or organizing distributed teams. And that's it. You now know how to add Maps view to your Trello boards and create location-based cards that sync directly with your lists. It's a simple feature, but it can completely transform how you manage geographically based projects. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Trello tips and productivity tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.